It is 2022 and essentially everyone is on social media. Every brand is on social media. Every business is on social media, which means lots of competition for your brand or business or personal account. So in this video, I'm going to show you a secret tool to explode your Instagram page. This could also be used for like TikTok and other platforms too, but we're going to focus on Instagram. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, we're going to be going over Instagram and how to stand out. Now there's a whole bunch of different ways that you can stand out on Instagram. But one of the most important that not a lot of people know about is this. Custom augmented reality filters. And they are the future. Just look at this big brand doing it. Or this big brand doing it too. AR filters are 4 times more engaging and memorable than just a traditional video. People remember the AR experience of these filters 70% more than traditional content. That is huge. Now, if you look at this graph, this is the augmented reality market. Now, as you can see, it's been a slow growth, but it is set to explode in these next few years, like absolutely explode. And if you really think about it, think about your personal Instagram or social media experience. A lot of it is these filters that you end up trying and then sharing to your friends. You remember them. Now just do this exercise real quick. What was the last filter that you used? And then what was the last video that you saw on Instagram? At least for me, the filters are so much more memorable. And when big brands are doing this, you should follow suit. Just like in the stock market, when someone purchases a crap ton of a certain stock where a lot of big money goes in, millions and millions of dollars, you should pay attention. And right now, 9 out of 10 big brands incorporate augmented reality filters in their campaigns. That is insane. Now, when you see filters like this, or you see really cool effects or borders or basically anything, what you're probably thinking is, of course, these big brands are using augmented reality. They have huge budgets. They can afford it. They have in-house teams. But what a lot of people don't know is that you can create a custom AR filter for your brand. Now, you can either make the filter yourself or you can hire a company to make it for you. Now, if you want to do it yourself, this is the first thing that you're going to want to do. Now, you're just basically going to Google Spark AR. And this is the program that you're going to use to create these filters. It's Facebook's and Instagram's in-house program. So all you're going to have to do is download it. It is absolutely free, and essentially this is what you're going to use to code your AR filter. Now, as you can see, you can go through all the creators and see what kind of stuff that they've made. It could be anything. It could be flowers on the head. It could be a face filter. It could just be a random hat. It could put an eyeball on your head. It could be a border. You could put tattoos all over your body. The ideas and the options are endless. Now, if you are a business or a brand or just a personal account, you're going to have to create something that is related to you. So if you're selling shoes, you're going to have to do something in the shoe realm. If you're selling makeup, you're going to have to do something in the makeup realm. So when people use this filter, they're going to think of your brand right away. Now, Spark AR does have templates that you can build upon. Like you can see, there's a face tracker, there's body movement, there's hand movement, the face detection one that a lot of people use. You got the face mask. They have all this built-in data and code that they already built, and you could just customize it for your brand. Now, to show you that it can be done, we created a filter just for this video that only took a couple days. I'm gonna bring it up right now. It's one of those effects where it filters through and it tells you what type of either Disney character you are or what kind of tacos that you like. But now for this one, we created one that will show you how many followers you are going to gain in this next year. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, or if you don't believe that we actually did it, I'm showing you right now how to find it and try it for yourself. Now, if you want to create something similar to a filtering effect, you could just take a screenshot of this page and then follow the code at the bottom, because that is going to be the most important part. That's where everything essentially happens, is the code. You will have to create all the JPEGs separately. So it's going to take a little time, but this opportunity is worth it. This is going to help you stand out in 2022 when the competition on social media is at its ultimate peak. Now, if you don't want to go through this whole hassle, you could just hit us up. We do have someone on staff that will make a filter for you. So just hit us up in the email in the description, or just drop a comment. We will get back to everything. And that is it. That is my tip for the day. Now, if you have any questions about anything, like I just said, you could either hit us up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. We will get back to everyone. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like it and then also subscribe for a whole bunch of good content coming out soon. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.